Alright, you guys, welcome to Budget Wise Cooking. I have our groceries for the next couple of weeks. Went to the food bank today and received this blessing. So let's see what all we have. We've got pancakes and syrup. I've got a bunch of apricot dessert thingies here, little frozen apricots. She gave me a bunch of these. I have a bowl of noodle, chicken bowl of noodle. I got some Italian sweet sausage. Got me some more venison. I think I'm going to make venison burgers next time. I got a bunch of chicken thighs. Baby, get out of that bag. I got some turkey sausage links. I got soap, detergent, dishwashing liquid, toilet paper, paper towel, 2 dozen of eggs. Got me some more egg noodles, tomato paste. Got me a bunch of canned goods. I got Great Northern beans. I got 4 cans of collard greens. I got tomato sauce. I've got 2 cans of diced tomatoes, some pinto beans, some black beans. And this bag right here is a surprise bag. And let's see what we got. It's a goodie bag. What is that? Oh, potato buns. So I'll make the veal burgers and we'll use these for the buns. Ooh. Ah, Bush's fresh baked peanut butter cookies. Dessert. So that's what I got from the food bank, you guys. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you, Lord, for this blessing today. Oh, I forgot to show you guys also. It gave me a box of fresh fruits and vegetables. We got apples, sweet potatoes, some Brussels sprouts, carrots, onion. That's perfect. I left a bag behind. I got some chicken drumsticks here. So this is a very nice food bank haul. And that's what I got from the food bank. I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. I am making food from little bit of nothing. As far as money being spent is usually from the food bank. Or if I do go grocery shopping, I may make a special meal. But I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I hope you're liking the videos. You can comment on the videos, share the videos if you like, try the recipes, and please, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for coming to watch me with my food haul for the month of February.